Not too good, Mama.
You like it too much, Mama. Your extra bib here. Grandpa decided to put on. Keep you dry. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Oh, my boy. Oh, God. We can send this video to Daddy. He's so handsome, my little boy. Look at Grandpa over here. You need a little diaper thing. Oh, yeah. Hey. How's that coming, baby?
Want to try another little more? A little more?
Let's see. Oh, honey, I know.
What is that? It's partially liquid and partially something thicker.
Uh-oh. Oh, I thought he was like gagging.
Hey, you like that, Joey? Does that taste okay?
I did put a lot more. I put about 3 tablespoons because of the formula. So he might be almost done, and then I'll give him a bottle.
Are you almost done with your cereal? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. We're going to have a bottle.